Before you just let any contractor into your home, here are a few things that you need to know first.
What is a subcontractor?
When you hire a company, sometimes companies will subcontract out. This can go both ways. So companies that subcontract out, you want to ask them, who are they subcontracting out and how? This can affect you more than you know. One's doing drywall, one is doing the flooring, one is doing the countertops, and one doing the cabinetry, and somebody else doing the electrical work and the lighting. Then that's multiple contracting, and the communication is lost. The biggest problem is if something goes wrong, there's no accountability. If you do decide to go with a business that you trust and they do subcontract out, just ask the right questions. Make sure that you are doing your research and that you are getting the best return on investment on your project. Here at Otterly Baths, you will have one dedicated team that comes into your home to do your project. So you're not having all that confusion and multiple people into the home at the same time. You will have a lead, and then you will have their helper. Those craftsmen will be in your home and they will be doing the entire project. So they do the demo, they do the shower, they do the flooring, they install the vanities, they do the plumbing. Your team is going to do all of your work until your work is completed and you're satisfied 100%. They will all have Otterly gear on. They come up in Otterly trucks. We do documentation, clear documentation from the time that I walk in all the way to the end. And we use company cam to do that. From the initial consultant that comes out to your home, from the install team, the remeasure, the project managers, they're all Otterly family. Being our customer makes you a part of the Otterly family too.